All right, so real quick before you go, I did basically just hook you up with this software for free for 30 days, and then I'm only charging you $1 single for the software. The reason that I did that is to be able to easily collect a lead that's a buyer's lead and be able to sell them stuff in the future. I have a lot of other software I'm going to sell you, but even right now I can sell you more stuff, and I'm going to do that right now. So literally, I'm going to first show you a competitor who has pretty much the exact same software that does pretty much the exact same thing. They have a 3-day trial on it, and I just want you to see here that they have this 3-day trial on it, and then they charge either a $97 a year subscription or a $297 one-time payment for literally the exact same software that I just gave you for $1 after your 30-day free trial. All right, so they have a 3-day trial, and then after that 3-day trial, they have a $97 a year fee or a $297 one-time fee after their 3-day trial. I just gave you a 30-day trial, and then I'm giving it to you for a one-time fee of $1 just to collect a lead. So right now what I'm going to offer you is the opportunity to essentially partner with me and have unlimited accounts on this software that you can literally give away just like I'm doing to collect leads, or you can sell just like these people are doing. It's completely up to you whether you want to sell them like they're doing, or if you want to give them away as lead magnets like I'm doing. That's completely up to you. What I'm going to give you is unlimited accounts. So I'm going to hook you up with one of our softwares, QB, and I'm going to get you a QB account. And in QB, you'll be able to just basically add a user to this extension. We're going to give you that extension. I'm going to give you unlimited accounts on that extension. So you'll be able to sell it to people. You'll be able to use it as a lead magnet, whatever you want. You can add those users manually, or you can actually use our API. We have video instructions on how to integrate our API right through Zapier. Super, super easy. But you're literally going to have unlimited accounts on this software that these people are selling for $97 a year, or they're selling for a lifetime payment for $297. It's the exact same software, pretty much does the exact same thing. I just gave it to you. For 30 days free and then $1. Now I'm giving you the offer and the opportunity to have unlimited accounts on this software that you can literally either give away to collect leads for free. You can charge a $1 payment or a $5 payment, whatever you want to do, just like I did. Or you can charge them even a higher price. It's completely up to you, but you will have unlimited accounts on this software that you can license. Super easy. You just click, you'll get a QB account. You just put in their email address, and then you pick the software. You'll have access to this Clickfunnels easy page cloner, and then you'll just create their user account, or you can use our API. Just watch our training video. Our training video shows you how you can just easily use our API. You can integrate this right through a Clickfunnels page, through their webhooks, or you can integrate it through Zapier if you want to do and have everything automated. But you're literally going to get unlimited accounts on this software that you can use to generate revenue or generate leads, whatever you want to do. You can see the price right down there below. So if you're interested in it, just click the button to sign up. It's a super, super low price. The price is literally less than you would pay these guys. It's literally like a lot less than you would pay these guys just for one license. All right. So that's the offer today. If you're not interested, just skip it.